This is an open response question. Think how many marks it's worth and make that many points in your answer. Look as you read through it, look for any clues as to the type of response they are looking for. And remember, you can use equations and you can use ideas of proportionality in these here. Whenever I see Rutherford alpha scattering experiment, I just think, yes, that's marks in the bag probably, especially if there's a 4 mark or maybe a 3 mark or a 6 mark. Let's just take a little bit of time to understand what we're asked to do. It changed our understanding of the structure of the atoms. They want us to reference what changed about it and what observations, okay, led to a new model. So when I do this, I always memorize observations and conclusions that Rutherford could make. Okay, you could write an answer in this form if you wanted to. It's not got a little star, so it's not a quality of written communication one. Most of the alpha particles were undeflected, okay, where they went straight through the nucleus. They were deflected through very small angles or small angles, okay. So most alpha particles were undeflected. And what's the conclusion for that? Most of the atom is empty space. Okay. Some of the particles, quite few actually, I'll say few, were deflected through small angles. And very few deflected through large angles. So what's going on there? These two conclusions are linked. If they're deflected, then there must be some force. Alpha particles are positive, so there must be a concentration somewhere of positive charge. Okay, and if they're going to be able to deflect it through large angles, then there must be quite a large mass somewhere. So most of the mass is concentrated somewhere as well. Where are they concentrated? In a nucleus. In a nucleus. Very small nucleus, you might want to describe it as. The nucleus means a core, a kernel of something. So actually you should see that, and because you've memorized that explanation, linking observations to conclusions, you are always going to get full marks in a Rutherford alpha particle scattering explanation question. There might be some more difficult ones, maybe about how close it approaches the atom, okay? There may be some algebra to do as well, but there's no excuses for not getting early on in the paper a question about a Rutherford. Just describe conclusions and observations question. Easy. So I hope that was really useful to you. Exam questions are a great way to practice for exams, but don't just do exam questions. If you struggle with that exam question, then you probably need to revisit the theory for that topic. So do that before you have a go at some other ones. If I've made any mistakes, then correct them down below. And if you've got any more questions, then down below as well. Maybe you guys can help each other out. And there should be some playlists around here and a subscribe button if you like that and you want to see some more as I'm going to bring it out. All right, thanks a lot for watching.